right? People on social media, we are look views, yeah, we get look of funds off it. You get what me I say? Right? So everybody I look something. Right? Everybody I look something. Remember, this is a devil's playground, right? Me hear they say, okay, don't make it break you, you have to have thick skin and rate. Okay, me get all of that. Okay. A man with there with you on social media just for views. People will style up on social media just for the views. A person will pretend with you on social media just for the views. This is a place where everybody come and I try to be seen. Everybody I try to look at things. Some people I try to run a look at business. Some people I try to, preach a word of God. You understand what I say? I send out a message. So every platform is so much different. This is social media, right? You have to decide you want to be here, right? All right. I'm there with this nigga. I think everything was good at first, right? This motherfucking nigga, you style me. I talk the one with favor Shibada, right? I don't know if I'm a Shibada brother, but I never did not realize. So I'm a Shibada look-alike, right? So out of all of this was views. I am there with the person because remember when you're there with a partner, you have a reason with them. I don't know about nobody else, but when you're there with a man, you have a reason with a man. And at the same time, when all of this happen, and my daughter go Kingston and them go do a little prank and whatever, I never know really what, right? Because nobody never tell me if a prank or rain. But at the time, I'm there with this fucking man. I'm a reason with him. I said to him, say, me never know, say no, Ray, no. You understand me? Me never know if it was a prank or what. Me I say, baby, you think it real? And this fucking man, just because of fucking views, this man come out last night and I tell the people them say, me, they want my daughter go live with Jayden. Boy, me never know you're so wicked in a youth. Me I tell you the truth, Honestly, youth, you have a wicked blood clot heart. I swear to you upon my life, you're wicked, you fuck. Because you see, if you did have anything in you, you would have even look on the people them and say, say Annie talk to me. And say Annie say certain things to me. Because I was scared. I'm scared for Meko. You see me? I'm going to ask her a question and say, you know what you do? And she said, yes, mommy, we know what we do, a prank. Right? Because I did scared for her because she did come at Kingston. One time I tell her to come over the place, over the Airbnb part, me and you did there. And you know all of that. And you sit down in front of so many people and just tell a lie like that, bro. If you know how wicked you is, like nothing in a you don't say nothing good about my kids. I'm a reason with you and you see. Me know me not perfect, but me want mother will try and me there on you and me try to show you look at things about me. And when you did it last night with the people, them you don't even look on it and say, say she did tell me what I go on. You understand me? And I just me know say you is a pussy. You is a look garlic looking pussy. Your head look like a blood clot garlic, I swear. You is a shibada looking, garlic looking motherfucker. You see you? I swear to God, man a jar down your underpants. You would do anything. Anything you would do. You depend your life and you sit down and you look sad for the woman them some. And you give them all different type of emotion for pray upon them to get something. You is a bitch. I swear to you upon my life, you is a bitch. Because when everything I go on last night, you either could have draw side or you just look and tell the truth or just talk something way because you know that woman yeah, I'm there around you. Me is a talker, me is a person learned for me love reasoning. Me even look upon you and say to you, say, I can't do with you because you don't have good reasoning ability. Me say that to you more one time. I say, why you can't hold a good reasoning? Because sometimes I want to sit down and reason with you upon a level. And it seems like me can't hold them the level with you, bro. And you know say nothing good about my kids.
What's up?
Me not get no trouble over here, you know. Me not get no trouble.
You get trouble?
Why you cry, me baby?
Me not cry. I
Me-
tell me
why
cry,
you
man.
cry
You
for?
cry, man. You cry,
no,
man.
well I know. So me a whole a reasoning. No
Me tell
cry
you, top
now,
cry, man.
one.
You cry. Me tell you,
No,
top cry.
see there, me not cry. Me tell you say
Mr. Walker
something.
in your
You cry
eyes.
before, man.
You see water in your eye?
man.
No,
cry
no
for
water
money?
in my eye. Me a talk about something.
Stop the crying.
But me not cry, bro. Me done. Me can't even talk again.
You cry, man. You
I
can't
know
talk
you're
without
emotional,
crying.
girl.
You can't talk without crying.
Me don't feel like just talk how me feel about certain things. Me not cry. Me not cry.
Missy cry.
Who trouble you? A big pussy, a boy police. No, what kind of style they pop on the woman picking a
Let
batty
me ask
boy?
you now.
There's a little batty man style.
Me
We
just
like
a
it.
reason
Because
about
Who
some
trouble you? Who trouble you?
Watch you know.
The police.
Me just a reason about some things how me feel about certain little situation. Me a reason about how the boy they come out last night too. And him come and I tell people say me did want Jayden for live in a Jayden house. Like him I tell people like he know that. You get me? And me did reason me talk to him. Cause when the prank did run a Kingston. I mean they know say a prank because remember say only did shut me out pan that, you know. Remember say only not tell me certain things. So when I drop a prank, me never did know. Right? And she me when me call her, me I say, baby, this real? And she said, no, mommy, a prank. You see me?
You know what I mean? Where she
I'm look for him and me tell him that.
You look trouble.
And the
So
man
you
come
catch him
out
out
now,
with bang
Jayden, and I
again.
tell people, say, yo, me, you understand me? They that force me to live with you.
In my chat, don't stop comment that one and talk about this and that. Don't stop
You see
comment.
me? So me just tell you, say me just a reason for my end and talk about certain
I
things.
do nothing. I don't breed nobody. Don't stop that. I don't bring them people get picking it too much.
Also,
Leave it
Mika
alone.
breed.
Stop say that.
Who for me can breed?
Huh?
Stop blood class say that.
I want to them people, yeah, man.
Be a fuck with them around with, brother.
Stop
You see
say
me?
that.
But I would say that day.
No stop say that. I'm gonna go black on for real in you. All right. Moderator, you see somebody will just say that a while ago.
I put my one for sub. I sub my chat. Sub my chat.
Yeah, then sub a chat.
Right. So thank you, baby. Yo, you say the man sit down and I say so. Yo, if a man did a real man, you that look and say, no man.
Moderator, you can sub my chat for me, please, moderator. Sub my
You
chat.
know, say Annie tell me XYZ. You know them type of way there? Right? And the man sit down there, this
Moderator,
me
sub
so
my chat,
and me
moderator.
out them. You understand?
Them say that class me.
Look here, if you want to believe that, Jayden, you believe that. Me talk about things how me feel and read.
No, I don't believe them. I don't believe them.
You see me? Right? Anything me say, you know, me can always talk about that. Me talk about any little thing how me feel. And me just relax and me a roll a little meds. And me a look on this spot right after my birthday. Right? A day after my birthday in a chat. This man comes to books and text my daughter, you know. Right? Me have a text on my phone. You understand what I say? I'm going to read the text and I come to boobs. I'm going to say it to two person. Right? I'm going to tell myself, say, I don't want to put back myself did this so. Nobody can tell me nothing. You understand me? Me maybe talk about it, but me tell you, say, all right, let me show you.
Annie.
Yeah.
Annie, you know what you want?
What?
You need some good roughs. You need some good rough intercourse with somebody. You need that. You feel like you need that. You need wood.
Dirty stinking blood clot, Jayden. Don't fuck yourself with me.
Hello,
Don't do
Jabas.
that. Jabas, don't answer nothing when you say. Right?
Yes, your mother know I want to talk to her, please. Oh, okay, I will talk to her. Please and thanks. Hold on, man, send them emoji there. What kind of balling emoji man I send? Jabba ever send them balling emoji
Him
there?
did say no say XYZ.
Yeah, me send
and
it.
whatever.
And broken heart. Man, nothing send them thing there.
Me send them when me know my feelings and me feel hurt.
Alright. So, this little fucker now have no blood clot with nothing in him. You could have come out and allow me pitney. You ain't have to contact about my blood clot pitney and nothing. You understand? But I want a man to remember, say, now you have daughter here. You say, what goes around in life will come back around. You have to know what you do. You see me? And one time I text this pussy when me drunk, when me did on a Jabbas club, and I say, I want my YouTube channel and give him some middle finger, so. You see me? After me text him back, me no come, so boobs, me no text him back again.
Junk text.
Yeah, it was a junk blood clot text.
So suppose him did that in area.
Jayden, me hate you, I swear to God. Don't make me start cuss you too, because at least me fi start fucking cuss you, because you want to look a pussy when you're ready. You better not start.
Annie.
What?
Annie. You want wood?
I don't like you. I swear, Jabbas, me don't like Jayden.
Stiff, eh?
Don't fuck yourself, Jabbas. Why you didn't go say so?
No, me not say
Don't
nothing. I
do
say,
that, bro.
I say me be stiff.
Jabbas. No, I'm not laugh. Don't take it as joke. You're a man of pussy you. I never know say she bad, brother. I swear.
No.
Who that?
TikTok police.
You
Your
know
man
like
drunk your man drunk last night and go plant views and it's me use and my use and I take it as joke.
The boy chat to follow shift in me while I film please cash.
Guys, you follow Fox in I mean while they do.
Why wanna come over here come provoke me? Like